Hi, my name's Nicole and I'm the owner here at Dream Dinner Sunrise. And we've had this store for over 15 years. Actually, October was our 15th anniversary. And we're so excited to bring this to you, to a new audience, to tell you what Dream Dinners is all about. So right now I'm standing here at Curbside, and we will be meeting you here at Curbside once you've placed your order online and selected a time to come pick up. We're open on Thursdays, some Fridays, Saturdays, and Mondays. So you would just pick one of those 4 dates and we will meet you with your entire order at Curbside. We will place your order in coolers or in your trunk directly. And we even add in the sides and sweets menu and next month's menu ahead of time, so you can take a look at that before you come Curbside to place your order for those items. And we'll have your sides and sweets ready for you as well as far as next month, and getting that situated as well. So 2 months, you can have dinner situated in all a matter of minutes. How cool is that? Anyway, we will be here, Curbside, waiting for you. But if you do have questions before that, please give us a call at the store at 954-746-7577, or post any comments in any of the Facebook discussion groups, and we'll be happy to answer your questions then. So we really look forward to meeting you here at a Curbside.